Frying! Baking in an RV! With an alpaca! An alpaca named Chicken!
Hi, welcome back to Kari's Kitchen with my handy dandy sidekick Rainbow Alpaca, otherwise known as Sunshine. Thank you, Matt! Yeah! As always, we gotta put the apron on because you can't bake until you have the apron on. Today, we're going to use the Instapot because we are plugged into electricity. Magical, magical thing. I always like dessert, and sometimes I like something that's super easy. We're going to make apple crisp in our Instapot. So I've already cut up some apples that Brian and I picked. The recipe calls for 5 apples, but I'm going to cut it in half because there's only 2 of us. So I cut up to 3 apples because I love apples. Oh, I wanted to show you the apples. Look at this. So these are the apples Brian and I picked the other day. They're giant and awesome. We picked them with Auntie Rose and Uncle Steve, and it was the last day for apple picking. So that was pretty cool. So we have the chopped apples in the Instapot. Gonna add some cinnamon, and the recipe calls for nutmeg. I don't have that, so I'm gonna use cardamom instead. Who knows what will happen, but hopefully it'll be awesome. So it calls to sprinkle the cinnamon all over the apples, so I'm just gonna do that. And we're going to add some water to that because the thing about the Instant Pot is pressure cooking. It makes everything really super easy. And of course, some maple syrup. This one we got in Vermont and it was awesome. Oh yeah. Maple syrup tasting it. I don't know how much it calls for, but that looks good. So for now, that goes over here. And then we'll work on the next part, which is making the crisp part. We've got 2 tablespoons of butter in here. We're going to Mickey Mike that and melt it. Here we go. Go, microwave, go! Yeah, microwave, yeah! I'm shaking the whole RV when I do that. Some melted butter. So we're going to add some rolled oats to that. Melted butter. Old-fashioned. I don't know what the difference is, but you know what? I'm sure there is. Some flour, brown sugar, and salt. That looks good. And add some brown sugar. So we'll mix that up. Rainbow Alpaca says it looks really good. So it's kind of like a crumbly looking whatever. We're going to drop this kind of all over the apples. So this is the crisp part of the apple crisp. There's definitely more apples than crisp in here, but that's okay. So secure the top on here. Pressure cook for high 8 minutes. There it goes. Haha! So it's ready, we think. There it is. Time to taste it. I added some whipped cream to our apple crisp because we don't have vanilla ice cream, and I just made this whipped cream a couple days ago for the pavlova that is in an earlier episode. And please comment below and tell me what to make next week. Bye!